logic.
Okay, so you can see this is a chair, but they haven't drawn the actual chair. They've drawn the spaces in between the chair. Example 2 is a bit more complex, but you can get the same idea here as what they're trying to do. Well, there you have it for this series. I will be putting some more up, but for now, that's about where I'm going to stop with the basics. I hope these videos have been useful. Please comment in below and let me know what you think. I'd really like to know if this is a lot of nonsense or whether it's worthwhile and what you'd like to see covered in future videos. That would help me a lot, and I would really appreciate your honest feedback. If it's not great, I need to know about it, so don't be shy, don't hold back, let me know, and I will try and improve as much as possible and give you what you want, because that's ultimately why I'm here. I'm not here to make money off of you, I'm here to help those who would like to follow this hobby and enjoy the wonderful creative world of art. So thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next videos, and I'll notify you when the next video will be out. If you subscribe, you will get notification. It's free, I don't charge anything. All the resources on my website, which you can find below. There are all the drawings you can copy, the videos loaded there, all sorts of things that you might find useful I'm putting up there on the web page. So please feel free to go there, and absolutely no cost. You can use whatever resources are available there and enjoy. Thank you.